Thank you for being here tonight. I'm Karen Larson. Today, in a twist quickly grabbing the national spotlight, the U.S. Supreme Court stepped in to halt the execution, of an Oklahoma man on death row for a 1997 murder-for-hire case, which many advocates and public officials believe is an injustice. Tonight, 2 News hears from Richard Glossip, his attorney and a local lawmaker. Reporter Samson Tamijani has more on the latest development.
Richard Glossip's defense team thought the tide had turned a month ago when the Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond motioned to vacate his conviction altogether. Then, on April 26th, the State Pardon and Parole Board denied him clemency in a 2-2 vote, allowing his May 18th execution date to go forward unless the U.S. Supreme Court agreed to step in. Friday, it did just that. The document that lets Glossip continue his fight came from Justice Brett Kavanaugh, who rules that the stay of execution is granted pending the disposition of 2 petitions filed by the defense team led by Don Knight.
The state of Oklahoma has declared that Richard Glossip did not receive a fair trial. I'm thankful that the United States Supreme Court is taking this seriously because without their help at this point in time, the state was scheduled to kill a guy who didn't receive a fair trial. And I don't think there's any Oklahoman anywhere that would think it's okay to punish someone after they have not received a fair trial, especially with the death sentence.
Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond offered this brief statement saying, quote, "I am very grateful to the U.S. Supreme Court for their decision to grant a stay of execution. I will continue working to ensure justice prevails in this important case," end quote.
Well, it just tells me that they're looking at this case very seriously.
Broken Arrow State Rep Kevin McDougal has long called Glossip's conviction flawed at best and met with the inmate and his defense team just before the stay was granted.
Any level-headed person that looks at this case can see all the errors. At the very least, they're going to send him back for a new trial, and I personally don't think they have enough to even put him in prison anymore if they do a new trial.
Knight also believes a new trial is a reasonable hope, but reasserts their fight is far from over.
There are other things the court can do without doing that. They can simply overturn the conviction without any kind of presentation from us, or they can simply deny the writs as well and say, we've decided, we've looked it over, and we don't think there's anything here, and deny it, and then it would the execution date would go back on. So that's why I say we can't get ahead of ourselves here. As we say in Colorado, we can't get out over our skis.
We also contacted the office of Governor Kevin Stitt, who has avoided giving clear opinions on the Glossip case. His team said they have no comment to offer. In studio, Samson Tamijani, 2 News, Oklahoma.